The benchmark price follows the rise and fall of the interest rates, a sentence you often hear me say over and over again. So why on earth are prices soaring if the interest rates haven't gone up at all? This real estate market has got many economists, experts, and even realtors scratching their head. Stick around, because after today's market update, you're gonna have a better understanding on why the market's picked up so much. Hey everyone, I'm Ollie Neitzel and welcome to R.E.S Vancouver Real Estate Market Updates, the only channel that gives you a real-time perspective of what's happening today, right now in your real estate market. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below, because I want to hear your thoughts on the real estate market that is changing so fast and got everybody shaking their heads in disbelief. Over the last few months, we've seen a shift in the market that's finally starting to show up on the real estate stats and all over the media headlines. The threat of easing interest rates started to bring buyers back to the table again in the beginning of the year. And April and March's announcements from the Bank of Canada not to increase interest rates has only added fuel to the fire. Multiple offers, condition-free offers, and over-asking sale prices are starting to become the norm again. So if interest rates haven't increased, what's creating all this increased activity? Buyer demand. Let's think about that for a second. Last year, when the government first announced they were going to increase interest rates, there was plenty of buyers out there, and the market was in a frenzy. And when interest rates started to increase, all those buyers took a step back and started to watch from the sidelines. For about 10 months, more buyers accumulated and patiently waited as they watched housing prices drop. Picture a giant barrel filling up with water, and when it finally gets to the top, it starts spilling over everywhere. The same is true for buyers. Interest rates eased and they all came back to the table at once. And with no inventory to choose from, it has turned the real estate market in Metro Vancouver upside down again. So what's in store for the future? Housing shortages is a huge problem in Metro Vancouver, and Canada aims to welcome over 465,000 permanent residents in 2023. And if I'm a betting man, most of those residents are most likely coming to the Greater Vancouver or Toronto area. So we need to see more inventory to help supply the high demand. Summer is right around the corner, and historically, things seem to cool off over the summer months. Inflation is easing, but the Canadian government has openly admitted that they're not against raising interest rates again. So if you're a seller sitting on the sidelines, now is the time. Thinking of transitioning up or now? What's the answer? Buy first, sell second. And buyers, sharpen those pencils, break out that checkbook, and get ready to compete in multiple offers. So what are some of the key takeaways? There is a ton of buyers out there, and they've all got a lot of money. Something needs to be done about the shortage of inventory in Metro Vancouver. Higher interest rates are definitely not affecting buyers coming back to the table again, and the benchmark price continues to increase. I hope that helped shed some light on what's fueling all this recent real estate activity. To be honest, it's a little bit scary. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.